I truly love and adore my mother-in-law. She's from Alabama and she cringes when I mention adding sweetener to cornbread. According to her and everyone else in the South, cornbread is supposed to be made savory. And that's how she makes it, savory. Period. But I make mine sweet. Therein lies the rub. To give you an idea of how serious she is about savory cornbread, let me paint you a picture. Christina here. If you are new to me and this channel, we talk about ditching prepackaged foods and cooking with ingredients you can pronounce. But first, my husband, who is also from Alabama, wanted me to tell you that in the South, cornbread is pronounced cornbread. From now until the end of this video, I will affectionately refer to it as cornbread. Let's go, y'all. First, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare a muffin tin with either paper liners or silicone liners. If you are using flax eggs like I am, prepare 2 of them. The ratio for 1 flax egg is 1 tablespoon of flax to 3 tablespoons of water. If you are using real eggs, use 2 of them. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Stir to combine. In a medium-sized bowl or a 4-cup measuring container like the one I have here, add 1 cup of milk, both dairy and free or cow milk work fine, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of liquid fat. I'm using melted coconut oil, but you can use butter, olive oil, or avocado oil. And then add ½ cup of honey or maple syrup. Stir it well. Add the wet ingredients to the dry cornmeal mixture and stir it well. Tell me what you prefer, savory cornbread like my mother-in-law likes to make, or sweet cornbread. If you want me to make a video about my mother-in-law's cornbread, leave me a note in the comments below. It doesn't look pretty, but trust me, it will taste fabulous. Drop your batter evenly into the prepared muffin tin. Bake for 15 minutes or until golden.
Sweet beans! This is delicious!
If you want a great chili recipe to go with these cornbread muffins, click the video on your screen right now.
Ciao for now!